Hey, crypto family. Hope y'all are doing good wherever you're at. So today I'm going to talk about the crazy price action that's been going on. I'm going to cover a free indicator that actually will help a lot of people out, and then I'm going to cover some search terms that I think will help a lot of people out as well for sifting through various altcoins. So today we had a sharp rise in a lot of altcoins, and then following by a sharp decline, and then finally a bounce recently. So you can see a lot of coins are in the red today. A few like Uniswap and SushiSwap have actually been doing really well, up double digits. But for the most part, a lot of coins are in the red, but have rebounded and recovered nicely. So before we get into the watch list, let's actually get into some filtering that you're capable of on Coinmarketcap. So for example, for NFTs, I was talking with those the other day. And if you want to know what coins basically have NFTs on their platforms, you can just click here, this link here, and you can see Flow, Wax, and Red Fox Labs. Actually, all those three are on here in the top. And these coins are sorted by market cap. So that's what their rank is sorted by. So if you're interested, hey, what other NFT platforms are there? Well, you can search on here, and then from there, do some more analysis, search on Twitter. Type in the $sign, then their ticker symbol in the search menu, and then I'll basically come up with everyone who's mentioned that coin, and it can help you with researching a lot more. And then you can just, of course, go to the coin's website, read their white paper, etc. And you can do that for DeFi coins if you're wondering what altcoins are DeFi. So this is a really nice tool here on CoinMarketCap. They make it very easy to filter through what coins belong to what platform. So with that, let's go and look at the watch list. So Ethereum sitting at 1938. So again, it crossed 2,000. It's back below it. Binance coin is down double digits. A lot of people took profit on that on the rise. FTT token is actually holding its value a lot. It's one of my favorites, as well as Sol, Solana, and then Serum and FIDA. So those are some of my favorites, and we're going to go over some TA with those, as well as REN token. But a lot of them are holding their value only down 5-6%. So so some good value there. And actually Wax is holding value good at 8.4 cents. And then Red Fox Lab is only down 7% today. So again, some good bounce back that we've had the past couple of hours. And with that, let's actually go into some TA. So one of the indicators I was mentioning, a free one that I think is good for people to use is Market Liberator. So it's a good one you can use if you don't have enough money either for Market Cipher or Market Inception or any of those. Then Market Liberator, actually a commenter in one of my previous videos, he actually mentioned Market Liberator. So it's a good one to use. You know, you basically get almost all the same indications as you do with Market Cipher, but it's free. So just one thing to keep in mind with that. But we're going to go and delete that since I have the paid one here. But looking at Bitcoin here, so you can see the trend lines I drew. It didn't quite reach those on the previous decline that we had. Went up to a high of 57,500 before declining down to 54,000. So a nice $3,000 move here during the midday. But we are continuing forward for here. So again, kind of watching out, where we're going from here. Go ahead and draw one more trend line, and that'll kind of give us a more better indication of where we're going. So if you draw this trend line here and just kind of extend it just a little bit right there, we can see we nearly, bounced off of it. So I'm looking for this support right now to be at about 55,500. And if that doesn't hold, obviously seeing this next support level here, a strong one at about 52,400. So again, maybe setting some buy orders down there if we have another further dip. But right now on the 4 hour, you have the RSI kind of leveling out, still overbought. Money flow is actually curving up. MACD was curving to the downside, which would have been very bearish, but it's starting to level out here, you can see. So possibly a reversal coming, which would be very bullish. As well as here, you had blue waves curving down, but you can see that lighter wave starting to curve up with money flow actually increasing. So very, very bullish signals here for Bitcoin. So just keep in mind this level, around 55,500, but looking good so far with Bitcoin. So definitely looking good there. For Ethereum, so Ethereum right now, look how beautiful this trend line was that we drew. We drew this, it's bounced off it perfectly, and then right here on this drop, actually this 4 hour candle closed, and it closed right on that $1,900 level. So from there, it bounced off nicely, and we're continuing to this uptrend. Now, something I want to mention here is, again, you have this next resistance. It's going to be at about $2,040. So this is an ascending wedge. So if this breaks to the downside, it's going to go at least, I'm looking at around $1,700. So maybe having some buy orders there just in case. But the RSI is curving to the upside, not really overbought or oversold. Money flow is still curving down with the MACD still curving down. And here you can see the blue wave is curving down as well. But on this money flow, it's actually curving up. So Again, still looking a little bearish for Ethereum, but just keep that in mind. If you do want to buy here, it is in this channel. It is respecting it very well. So possibly another move above 2,000. But again, if it does break it here, then we're definitely looking possibly around this next level of around 1710. So now let's go into some altcoins. So REN is one of the altcoins I mentioned. This thing has just risen like crazy. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. It actually helps run the Binance Smart Chain. A lot of things go through REN, which is why I'm very bullish on it. But you can see here this trend line. If REN continues to decline, then we are looking at around $1.20. So it could be, some good buy orders setting here just in case we have another decline. I'm very wary of this MACD that's crossing to the downside as well as money flow. Again, that is very bearish. If this confirms, it could very well bounce off of here for this MACD and continue to the upside. But again, just something to keep in mind, just in case this does want to turn down again. I'd definitely be looking more towards this $1.20 level to buy some more REN if you want to do that. And then Solana. So this coin right here, it's respected this channel nicely. This support line, it bounced off beautifully right here at that $9, approximately 81 cents. So if this channel continues, then looking for a nice bounce up to around almost $12. So that would be a nice little gain, a little 20% gain from here. Again, if it does break down the support, then looking at the lower end of this channel, probably around $9. So maybe you could buy order around there. But the money flow is increasing. The MACD is still declining across to the downside, as well as these blue waves continuing to the downside. But possibly some good reversal could be coming here. So they're starting to curve up, you can see here. So so it could be some more bullish action and targeting that $12 mark. And then FIDA, Bun FIDA is another one I'm bullish on. This coin, you can see here, it's respected these channels. And then it almost bounced off the support line here at $1.14. But looking right now, targeting this upper channel of about $1.41. So again, that would be about a 15 to 20% gain from here. So if you're looking to buy, then again, buy around this $1.15 and $1 level. Those would be good support levels for the if it respects the trend line. But RSI right now leveling out. The money flow looks like it wants to start curving up. The MFI or the MACD is actually curving down. So if this confirms, it'll be bearish for REN and then for FIDA. And then right here you have these blue waves curving down as well. So again, a lot of that is because of this huge downturn that we had in midday. But right now it looks like coins are starting to turn. So keep these levels in mind if you're looking to buy some more if there is further downside. But for anyone wondering, here's my watch list. Again, basically what I had on Coinmarketcap. So just basically being able to monitor these accordingly, and then so we can accurately, perform some TA on these coins. But if y'all have any questions or anything, feel free to contact me on Discord. I have that up there, as well as the Twitter up there in the middle screen. So either of those, I'll respond fast. And if you have any comments, please comment down below. Again, I appreciate all of y'all watching my videos. Means the world, and always want to help anyone out that's especially getting into this trading game. So it's always nice if you can make things easier for that. So with that, again, thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.